me show you how to put your image to motion. First, we are going to write a prompt, generate the image, and then put it to motion. And we are going to use two AI tools for this, the image generator and the video generator AI. If you're interested, join me and let's get it done. Let's go. So let's open the ChatGPT. And we are going to type a prompt. Let me just type this. I need an image prompt. Image prompt of a giant woman. Aspect ratio of the image 9.16. That is TikTok aspect ratio. 9.16. Then click on the arrow to send. If you are generating for YouTube, you're going to use YouTube aspect ratio, which is 16.9. So our image prompt is ready. It gave us 3 prompts to choose from. So all you need to do is to copy one of the image prompts and then paste it back in the chat. Just long press on the text and then click on copy. Long press the chat area. Then paste the prompts and click paste. That's it. The next thing to do is to tell this AI to generate this image for you, which is exactly what I'm doing now. Note, we are still on ChatGPT. So when you are done typing, just click on the arrow to send. And then wait for the image to generate. It takes time, especially if you're not a subscriber. So you have to wear patience like a garment. Wow, our image is now ready. You can retype your prompt if there's anything you want it to change from the image. This image is fine, but I want it to be a giant black woman. So I have to reprompt. And there we go. Always remember to put your aspect ratio. Then send. The image is generating. Now it's done. To save the image to your phone, tap on it. Then click on save. The next app we are going to use now is the Grok AI to make this image to move. So let's open the Grok. Then click on create videos. Tap on this photo icon below. Click on animate photo. It will take you to your phone gallery to bring in the image. Now the image is here. Let's see what Grok is going to generate for us without any prompt. You have to wait for it to generate, okay? Now we are going to go back to ChatGPT to copy the prompt we used to generate this image. So let's go there. Let's just copy one of the prompts. So now we are going to go back to Grok AI to paste the prompts. And let's see what it will give to us. Long press on the chat area, then click on paste. Tap on the arrow to send. Then wait for the video to generate. Whenever you are using these AIs, the free version, it usually takes time, so you have to be patient, okay? Wow, our video is ready. And you see that? So that is how to generate your image with AIs and also how to put it on motion. If you find value on this video, just hit on the right button. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what you would like me to teach you next. Share the video and also follow for more. See you on the next one.